In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a Jira workflow in 2025. Adjusting workflows is one of the best ways to bring clarity and structure to your projects. First, open Jira and select the project where you want to make changes. Remember, workflows are project specific, so the edits will only apply here. Make sure you have admin permissions to proceed. From the sidebar, go to Project Settings, then click Workflows. You'll now see all workflows linked to the project. Select the workflow you want to change and click Edit Workflow. Inside the Workflow Designer, you can add new statuses like code review or QA testing and set up transitions that define how issues move between statuses. Use draft mode if available to safely test your changes. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to apply the workflow to your project. Don't forget to inform your team so everyone understands the new process. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Jira workflow to fit your team's needs.